Welcome to Propel, the all-in-one PR platform designed to take your PR game to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your workflow, Propel has your back every step of the way. Let's explore everything this powerful platform has to offer. First up, we have projects. Think of it as your personal PR wizard, guiding you through every step of your campaign. From generating pitches to building media lists, Propel's pre-built workflows make it simple to get up and running without any complicated onboarding. It's designed to save you time and help you focus on what matters most, getting results. Next, let's talk about Discover. This is where you'll access the media database and begin your search for the right journalists and outlets for your campaign. Simply paste in your pitch, press release, or simply type in a few key phrases separated by commas related to your news, then hit Search. You'll notice 3 tabs appear with different search modes. High Reasoning AI. This is our newest and smartest feature. It goes beyond keywords to understand the context of your prompt, surfacing the most relevant journalists, even for complex or niche stories. Click on Why Me to get detailed reasoning for the top 50 matches, so you know exactly why each journalist made the list. Rapid AI. This mode gives you fast, AI-powered results, up to 200 journalists who match your prompt. Need to move quickly without compromising on relevance? This is your go-to. Pro tip: click Relevant Articles to see the top 3 articles that brought each journalist into your results. If you prefer the classic method, switch to the Keyword Search tab. It uses traditional keyword-based logic, and it's ideal for broader or more general topics. Now on to pitching. Here's where you can manage and refine lists for targeted outreach. In the All Pitching Lists tab, you can view pitching lists across your team, ensuring collaboration and visibility. The My Contacts tab provides access to your saved contacts, making it easy to search, filter, and manage them for precise targeting. The Story Funnel offers a visual representation of your pitching campaigns, helping you track progress, follow-ups, and conversions to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. With Propel's real-time monitoring tools, you can track online, print, social, and broadcast mentions of your brand or campaign. You can also perform competitor analysis in Propel through metrics such as share of voice, allowing you to track how your brand's coverage compares to competitors. Set up alerts to receive coverage directly in your inbox and create detailed reports to share with your team or stakeholders. Moving on to Analyze, Propel gives you all the insights you need to measure the impact of your campaigns. Team Results provides an overview of pitching performance and article publication metrics for team members. For the bigger picture, the Business Outcomes Dashboard integrates with Google Analytics to show you how your earned media is driving website traffic and ROI. It's the ultimate way to prove the value of your work. Under the Content section, you'll find everything you need to generate and manage your pitches and press releases. With our AI-powered tools, you can create professional quality pitches in seconds. Just enter your pitch idea or relevant keywords, and Propel's AI gets to work. Propel's platform is designed to make your PR smarter, faster, and better. Got questions? Don't worry, we're here to help. Reach out to our support team at support@propelmypr.com or click the chat button, and we'll make sure you're set up for success.